Hi, this is Praveen. Now, let us continue our discussion on latitudes and longitudes. In this class, we were going to discuss about the longitudes. So, we will be discussing about longitudes, the relationship between the longitudes and the standard time and the various time zones, the Indian standard time and the Chai Bagan time. First, let's start with the longitudes. So, what are these longitudes? Longitudes are the imaginary vertical lines drawn on the globe, and longitudes are helpful in order to find out the time and the date of a given place. And these longitudes can also be defined as the semicircular lines which move from the North Pole to the South Pole. So it is also another definition for the longitudes. So in the globe we find 360 longitudes, out of which the 0 degrees longitude, which is this longitude right here, this longitude is the 0 degrees longitude or prime meridian or the Greenwich meridian. And this 0 degrees longitude, it divides the globe into two parts. So towards the east of the 0 degrees longitude, that is in this direction, we have the eastern hemisphere. And in the western direction of the 0 degrees longitude, in the west direction, we call it as western hemisphere. So the 0 degrees longitude divides the globe into two equal parts, the eastern hemisphere towards the east, western hemisphere towards the west. In our previous class on latitudes, we have seen that the 0 degrees latitude, that is equator, divides the earth into two equal parts, as the northern hemisphere to the north and the southern hemisphere to the south. And we find 180 longitudes in the eastern hemisphere and the remaining 180 longitudes in the western hemisphere. So now let us look at the 0 degrees longitude, which is prime meridian or the Greenwich meridian. This 0 degrees longitude is drawn in the year 1884 based on an international agreement between some countries in Europe such that the 0 degrees longitude should pass through the Royal British Observatory in Greenwich of London in the United Kingdom. And also the 0 degrees longitude or the prime meridian, it passes through some countries like United Kingdom, France, Spain, Algeria, Mali, Niger, Burkina Faso, Togo and Ghana. So through these countries the 0 degrees longitude passes. So we have looked at the 0 degrees longitude. So opposite to the prime meridian, that is on the opposite side, we find the 180 degrees longitude, that is here on this map, 180 degrees longitude, which is called as the international date line. International date line, and here you can see the picture of the international date line, which is having some irregularities, because so here you can see an image of international date line, and this international date line has some irregularities, not in a straight line. That is just because it is found in the Pacific Ocean, which is home to many islands of the world. So due to that reason, we cannot experience different daytimes and different night times in the same island groups. So due to that reason, we have the international date line that is having some irregularities. So here in this map we can find all the longitudes are a semicircular in shape and move from the North Pole towards the South Pole. Whereas in the case of international date line, it looks somewhat like this. So it is the international date line which looks somewhat like this. So this is the international date line, that is 180 degrees longitude. And in this international date line, towards this side we have the western hemisphere and this side we have the eastern hemisphere. Because if we have eastern hemisphere here, it is towards the east. So due to that reason, in the western side of the international date line, we find the eastern hemisphere. It is in the opposite case in the case of western hemisphere. So when the earth rotates, and now the 180 degrees longitude, it comes to the front, and the 0 degrees longitude, it goes back, and now the globe looks somewhat like this. So let me draw this. So now this longitude is 180 degrees longitude and this longitude is 0 degrees longitude. So 180 degrees longitude means international date line. So now the directions are, this direction is east and this is the west. It is eastern hemisphere and it is western hemisphere. So if a person travels from east to west, he would gain a day. Because the eastern hemisphere is 1 day ahead of the western hemisphere. So he would gain a day if he travels from east to west. And if we move from western hemisphere towards the eastern hemisphere by crossing the international date line, we would lose a day. So it is about the international date line. So now let us look at the relationship between the longitudes and the time. The time difference between any two longitudes is 4 minutes. Now let us see how. So as we all know, Earth rotates for 24 hours and one rotation means completion of 360 degrees angle. So for 24 hours, we have 360 degrees, and if we want for 1 hour, Earth rotates for 360 by 24 degrees, that is 15 degrees. So 1 hour we have 15 degrees. So 1 hour means 60 minutes. For 16 minutes we have 15 degrees. Then for 1 degree, the time difference should be 60 by 15, which is 4 minutes. So the difference between any two longitudes in terms of time is 4 minutes. So by using this relationship, we can solve various questions regarding the longitudes and the time. And another point to remember, if we consider this line as the prime meridian, towards the east we have the eastern hemisphere, to the west we have the western hemisphere. And if the time moves towards the west, then the time decreases, that is we have to subtract. And if it moves towards the eastern hemisphere, the time would be increased, that is we have to add the time. So from the prime meridian to move towards the east, we have to add 4 minutes for longitude to longitude in order to get the time. And if it moves towards the western hemisphere, that is in the west direction, we have to subtract 4 minutes for longitude to longitude in order to get the time. So by using these two relations, now let us solve a question. That is, at 20 degrees east longitude, the time is 11 am. Now what is the time at 20 degrees west longitude? So again, let us apply these two formulas in order to get the answer. So if we consider this as the prime meridian and this longitude as 20 degrees east and this as 20 degrees west. So if the time right here is 11 am, so we have to add the time, and in this direction we have to subtract the time as I have told earlier. And the difference in the longitudes is 20 plus 20, that is 40. So 40 multiplied by 4 is 160 minutes. So 160 minutes should be the time difference between 20 degrees east longitude and 20 degrees west longitude. So we were going to calculate at 20 degrees west longitude. That means we were moving towards the west. So we have to subtract the time. So the time is 160 minutes. That means 2 hours 40 minutes. So we have to subtract 2 hours 40 minutes from the 11 hours, that is 11 am. And the answer would be 9:20 am. So we have gained the answer by using these two formulas. So I can try for other examples too in order to understand this concept. And next one is the standard time and the time zones. So first, standard time is a time which is adopted by various countries in order to have the time being standard. That is a single time all across the country, which is in the case of some smaller countries. Whereas in the case of some larger countries, we have many countries such as USA, Canada, China, Russia, etc., which were maintaining the time zones, that is having various number of times. For example, in Russia, we have 10 time zones, that is 10 longitudes. In USA and Canada, we have 5 time zones. So the countries USA and Canada maintain 5 time zones as their standard time. And these 5 time zones are the Pacific, Mountainous, Central, Eastern and the Atlantic time zones. And in the case of China and Australia, we have 3 time zones. So these values are important, and also the country with highest number of time zones is France. So France has 12 time zones. So it has 12 time zones because France has its territories all across the globe. So due to that reason, we have France having more number of longitudes and time zones. So it is about the standard time and the time zones. So here you can see the map of India representing the longitudinal extent. So India extends from 68 degrees 7 minutes east longitude to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude. So we consider 82.5 degrees east longitude as our standard time. So if you want to find the time difference between the Greenwich Mean Time, that is the time at the Greenwich Meridian, and the Indian Standard Time, we have to multiply 82.5 with 4 because 1 degree means 4 minutes. So 82.5 into 4 is 330 minutes, that is 5.5 hours. So as it is in the east, we have to add the time. So the Indian Standard Time is 5.5 hours ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. The 82.5 degrees east longitude passes through Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa and Andhra Pradesh states of India. And Indian Standard Time is also followed in some other countries like Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. So it is about the Indian Standard Time. So it is all about the topic longitudes. So we have completed about latitudes and longitudes. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.